Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, which is known as Fiat Freemont as well in different markets. The same vehicle under two different names depending on where it was sold. Now, what we will show you today guys, where to find the fuse for the sunroof. Now, if you have sunroof, you're going to have that fuse, and if your sunroof doesn't work guys, we'll show you how to locate the fuse and how to check this thing out. Let me quick guys introduce you to the channel and tell you that we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe to the channel guys. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can here at the shop. Also, all the parts and tools, including the replacement fuses, because they're really hard to find, will be listed in the description of the video below. This is the fuse box that we'll need to be opening here. These two things, squish them like that, pull it up. Now, we need to find fuse guys, okay, fuse number 178. Okay, 178, it's a 25 amp fuse, sunroof fuse. Sunroof module fuse, this fuse right there. We'll grab the puller, go on top of it, wiggle it, pull it out. I'll go ahead, grab a new one quick. Okay, and let me show you what the new one should look like. Looking at the sun, okay, you can see that element is good on the inside, that's how it should be. We'll go ahead, push it in guys. So, this is it. This is your sunroof fuse. Now, also, we'll have so many engine codes videos guys, taking the whole car apart, more than 200 videos, programming and all that stuff. So if you guys need help with anything specific on a Dodge Journey or Fiat Freemont, don't hesitate to drop a comment and we'll do our best to make a video for your problem. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.